think these are the same seagulls as earlier. Got a bit of a halo thing going on there. Whoa. But can you see these 4 guys in the back here? Look. They're on their territory, I think. Let's see how far, if they come this way. Because I think these guys... Oh, hello fella. Look at me in the eye. Sounds like seagulls make a lot of noise. Let's give them some of this. Whoa! What are they eating? Blue chip food. Oh. Hello. You see these guys over here? Look? Is that as near as they're going to come? Because I think the crows that are on this bit don't go on the bit behind them. See that? See that? Anti-clockwise, everyone. Thank you. Hello, crow. I've got some stuff for crows as well. You don't have to. My friend, right? He's got from the back of the house. He's got the left-hand house of a double of a semi-detached house. So it's joined partially to another house, and they have one common roof ridge and a chimney right in the middle. And what he gets is pigeons sit on his roof, and they all sit on the roof chatting away, facing the same direction, and he gets one seagull and the seagull has to be in the middle. Oh, basically just handed that to the seagull. So we were joking that he's got a seagull that self-identifies as a pigeon. But it's the tallest pigeon. Come on, in the air, in the air. Somebody. Oh, look at that. Got it on the ground. Alright. Rummaging around for crackers. Like, how small a piece. Oh. I think it's only because it's white and it shows up. It's not because it's particularly nutritious or tasty. Foreign. Oh, and hello. So that's as far as they came? Right. Let's just mosey across this imaginary barrier here. They want to get behind me. Right. I don't know if a double episode will fit on YouTube yet, so let's stop recording it here until I move over there. Back in a second.